Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? I knew.
Guys, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this lovely? Look how, oh my god, how luxurious this looks. This is beauty in a small cup, small but mighty. So guys, let's go straight into the video. You know how we do it on this channel. I'm just going to be listing the ingredients that I'm going to be using, and I don't know how I'm going to do this voiceover, if I'm going to continue talking or maybe write or something, but just know we have our sugar, we have honey, we have lemon, we have our food coloring, and we have olive oil. Yeah, that's what we're going to be using for this production. So the sugar will help us to like scrub our lips, like it helps to take off the dead cells. And then that's my honey. I'll just go ahead and add it. And then the honey is like, it acts as a humectant. Since we want soft, supple lips, we want to draw moisture into our lips. You understand? That is a function of the honey for this production. And then for the olive oil, it's just for its moisturizing properties too. It's just going to help moisturize your lips, make it soft. Like you don't scrub and then you feel dry. Yeah, that's the word. And then for the lemon, it's for the brightening properties. Yes, I use lemon for the brightening properties. And then the color is optional. I just wanted to make it look beautiful, like just for aesthetics. And it also helps to like leave a tint on your lips after scrubbing. And that's just basically it. So what you do is you just go ahead and combine your ingredients to taste. You understand? Like your honey, your oil, and the rest. It depends on the consistency you want. If you want it runny, you go ahead and add more of those. If you want it like dry, you add little of them. So I just want mine to be normal, not runny, not dry, not too abrasive, because I've got soft lips. Yeah. So I added my olive oil. As you can see, you just have to just keep stirring to help everything combine. You know, honey is thick, so you have to really stir to combine everything. And then I'll just go ahead and add my lemon juice to it. Yeah, that'll help me for brightening. You know how lemon is, yeah, vitamin C. And then you add in your food coloring. That's basically it. Just go ahead and stir. You can also use butters if you want, and a good butter can be shea butter. You can use shea butter, or yeah, shea butter. I will not go for cocoa butter because I don't know how it's going to turn out to be, because cocoa butter is quite a hard butter. So shea butter will be best because that too is very moisturizing. Yeah, you can also do this as start a small business with it by making like lip scrubs. For me, if you want to do business, you can skip the lemon part. Maybe you can get like dry lemon, like the powder one, and you can add it there. Yeah, you can skip the lemon part because you need to use a preservative. And if you don't have a preservative, or if you don't know how to like do your calculations well, you might end up hurting somebody. Anyways, thank you. Bye.